morning everyone. I've got such a tired face and a tired voice because I've just stayed up all night editing the iPad Pro review video, and now I have got to get ready to go and see my friends. So that's exciting, and I'm going to take you with me today. After pretty much a half day of traveling, I am finally with my friend Zara. We stayed for 2 nights. We just chilled and caught up for a bit, watching tennis, after watching cycling. We are now walking to where we walk to Tesco to grab some bits and bobs. We're gonna get wine and bobs. And then we're gonna get KFC, so I'm starving. Yes, me too. Hopefully they have hot wings bucket because we love that. Or I do. I don't know about you.
I do like hot wings, but I'm just so pathetic with spicy.
Oh yeah. Well, I shouldn't be eating that because it's just, my tummy's not very good. The last update I told you was we were gonna go to KFC. That didn't happen. We also didn't get wine because I forgot my ID and I always get ID'd. So yeah, sorry Zara. We were like a minute late to go into KFC, so they closed and they were not gonna serve us, so yeah. But we had Papa John's, so that was good. And now everyone's asleep and I should be too. But I've been really trying to look after my skin lately. Ever since I did that self-care video, I realised how bad I am to my skin. So I'm trying my best to really take care of it, but I still have a lot to learn, like I said earlier. If any of you guys have any tips and tricks, skincare wise, let me know in the comments section below.
Maloha, if you drop anything.
So Filipino, Maloha!
Ha!
Maloha! You know already.
Alo!
You want the palo? I feel like I'm a changed person. Sort of.
Why? Less than 2 hours. That's a good time.
Really?
It's already what, 11ish?
Really?
Yeah, it's only 12:30.
And I was on time for the coach yesterday. I was like,
I thought you got on the train.
yes, that I did.
But you were there on time.
I was.
She was so excited to get on that train. She got on the first train she saw.
Finally feel like a human now, and we're ready to go. But here's my friends over here, and that's why I keep looking this way. So we're just in the car now, waiting for Katrina to come back, and then we're gonna pick up my friend Mecca, and then we're gonna go for brunch or late lunch. Late lunch. We're gonna go for lunch, and it'll be nice and fun, as per usual with these girls. So can't wait to do that. So we made it at Bill's. Hi.
Wow. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Look, there's a big camera there. Where's the big camera? Say cheese.
I'm having calamari. I really actually enjoy that crispy calamari. I was getting everyone to try it, but no one would have it with me. I'm having a risotto and chestnut mushrooms with some veggies. This is a very vegetarian dish, which is like not so much like me, but here you go. I'll show you. I guess you can have a look at what I'm eating. And there's a poached egg. Wow, that took me quite a long time to have my first bite, but we got there in the end. And then the second one. And the girls and I just caught up, had a laugh or two. Then we went shopping at Primark. We love Primark. You'll see in a bit that I got that bandana. Now we're doing roll call. There's Katrina. There's Zara. Now we just gotta find Mecca and baby girl so we can go to Abby's. We're here now at my friend Abby's house. I'm so excited. I've not seen her yet, so it would be fun.
Mama, take off your shoes first. Sorry, I didn't come back out.
I just took off my shoes and said hi.
Thank you. I got too excited.
There she is!
There she is! Hi! Hi!
These are my great friends right here. Mecca is in the room.
You look
Cute.
pretty.
Okay.
You're so pretty. Hi, Lexi. Hi, Lexi. Hi. Hold the hands. Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is so precious.
Say peekaboo. He likes it.
So the girls and I just played with the babies for a little bit until baby girl had to go to sleep because she was crying a lot. We figured she was tired. Finally having our bubble tea, which we got from town earlier, and I'm easily distracted. Got an attention span of a goldfish, if that. A bit of dancing. I don't know why I was so shocked getting a cold sore the day after this.
Careful, don't run. Slow down. You don't. This is good. Yeah, but my day is gonna go flip. You have to watch it first. Oh, wow. Stop. Don't his head. Oh, head. Really?
And then I felt food from earlier go either up or down, which really was not good. So I went back in and had more food and drinks. Oh, and bubbles. Bubbles were introduced into this session. I think I was more entertained than the baby. I love it. So it's actually like 3:30 now, and we're off to town. And I'm gonna get my ears pierced. I'm so excited, but also slightly nervous at the same time. Yeah, I did it. I wasn't allowed to film inside, but this is my new piercing. You see it? You see it? Thank you for coming with me. Thank you for coming with me. She was, she double checked for me if it was looking okay. So, yeah. But I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, this place is so good. I'm impressed. Thank you. We're here again with shopping. Well, we're shopping for James's. We're with Abby now. Watching this clip and I'm cringing because I am not making sense. So I decided to mute it. And Eileen with James.
All the glasses.
All the glasses. He's trying it out.
It's not very like sunglass-like, are they? Oh, ow.
You have to go like this. My friend Fawn just got here. She came to visit me at my friend Abby's house. So this is my friend Fawn. Oh, come on. This thing.
Oh, my brother's got both.
we planned this. This is our uniform.
Hello. So glad to see her. I haven't seen her for years.
Oh, you are good. You're better at this than me. Maybe you should hold this camera.
So yes.
My snack.
Yes. How do you say it?
No, I was taking the mic.
Yeah.
Taikanoi.
What does that mean? Yeah, but how do you think it says?
What's it spelled? Taukenoi.
Yeah.
Taukenoi.
So, I bought some unusual snack. It's a prawn flavour and seafood sauce flavour. So it's like a prawn, yeah. This is really weird. Alex reacted weirdly to this, as in like pulling weird faces into this. So this one is like a proper prawn crackers in Thai, right? Okay. So it's got like mini prawns in there on top of these crackers.
I think they have something like that, but not in crisp form.
No, this is quite new. This is quite new as well. So we can do first reaction together. Well, what do we want to try first? Let's have the grilled prawn and
that'll be alright.
seafood.
That doesn't sound really bad.
Okay, well go for the plain one first then.
It's working.
ลดกุ้งเผาและลดน้ำจิ้มซีฟู้ด
We've not heard. Yeah, I've not heard Thai in ages, so. Me and Abby were like looking at each other like, oh.
Okay, so take one each. See if you like it.
We eat it now. All together.
Let's do it together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
3.
I had this before.
Have you?
I tasted it before.
Nice.
Not too bad. It's very good.
The second one is called Miang Kam Glob. Miang Kam Krop Rock,
Yeah, maybe.
right? it's just a type of it's like all the herbs that people put in the leaves and you eat together with the sauce. It's either you know it, or you don't know it. Okay.
Beach.
Go. It's not careful.
Should be about 4 or 5 flavour in one bite.
It's got.
It's got the sweet, it's got the sour, it's got the salt,
Yeah.
and Jaden doesn't like it.
I can just taste lime.
That's it, lime.
That's the lime as well.
It's like coriander.
It's got like a dry shrimp, you've got peanuts, chilli, onion.
And a bit of ginger too. Just a bit of ginger.
No?
No,
Tastes too much of a herbal taste.
I like it. Do you?
All I taste is lemon.
This is a big
I really like this. I think it's quite unusual. So I've never actually tasted this one before. I've tasted the other flavour of this. But this is crab curry flavour. Food.
It's a fish food. Yeah.
It's like fish food.
Ah, I know what you mean. Yes.
Yes.
The fish flakes.
No, I don't think I like it. Number one.
It tastes like fishes.
No, this is a shrimp.
Oh, there is shrimp in there. Yeah?
I don't think I would like reach for this, but
No.
in here we were just catching up a little bit until Abby and Fawn decided to tell their nearly kidnapped stories, which was really interesting to hear actually.
Try all
You have
three in
some
one go.
Oh,
All in one go.
cocktail. Come on.
Okay then.
Like when you get one, you can't. So like you have to get one out and then put it on your hand. Get one out, put it on your hand, put it out on your hand, and then you have to eat
Very
it
creative.
So we're doing this.
It's like
3
having
in 1.
It's like having a starter, main, and dessert.
All at once.
Yeah.
First, cheers.
I think I picked up quite big ones. There's a party in here. It just tastes like it's a different potato.
This time the one I can taste first is that one.
Same.
Me too.
I don't know what I'm tasting. I just know it's a party in here. Oh my gosh! I'm having pad thai. I haven't had it in ages.
Me and you can sit together.
That pad thai was just really, really delicious. Thank you, James, for cooking. Abby's finally joined. And here I'm demonstrating how I cook because Abby was just ranting about how James cooks, which is pretty much the same as me. Cook first and then worry about everything else, worry about the mess later on. And then Abby had to go back to Alexine, so I interviewed Jaden. I think the kid just wanted to watch whatever was on his iPad. Okie dokie, me and Abby will be continuing our catch up now and take my makeup off and do my skincare. I'm gonna take my contacts off.